Okay, I'm reloaded.
C10, yeah, that's all that I see. Hit the club, everybody on me. Niggas mad cause they wanna be me. Ain't no other man that I'd rather be. On my chest, I got VVs. On her chest, she got DDs. Eating good like I'm greedy. Know I make it look easy. YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge. Man. Now, right now, son, so I literally just got back from the gym, and I know what you thinking. I already know what you thinking. Sai, what the fuck is that on your head? Listen, man, listen, man. Relax, son, okay? I just took my hair out. I gotta get it done. I gotta get it twisted. My hair is long, though. This shit hurt, man. It's all tangled up. I gotta comb it. Like, I'm like super tender-headed. This shit about to hurt, but that boy definitely got that hang time. I know it's like mad shrunken, but that's not the point of this video. Yeah, I just wanted to talk to y'all. First and foremost, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. Like the video, of course. If you want to make money with me, you know, I got 3 options when it comes to making money. I got 3 options when it comes to making money with me. You have the first option is like my ebooks. That's like getting my knowledge, you feel me? That's like the lower level stuff right there. And then you have the Bridge community. That's the Discord. It's $27 to get into the Discord. And then you have like personal mentorship. That's if you want to work with me and my team and my mentors and get courses and investment courses and stuff like that, man. The Bridge University, all of that. I'm gonna be making videos about that in the future. But the point of this video is, why are people so weird? Like, actually, no, I can't even say that people are weird. It's more just like, let me just tell you what just happened. So I got a comment. It was 2 hours ago, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't really get comments like this a lot, but like, one thing I learned about when it comes to being an entrepreneur, you feel me? When it comes to putting out content that has anything to do with money, like, you either gonna be, you're the good guy at 1 minute, you're the good guy 1 minute, and then you're the bad guy the next minute, you know? And it's like, no matter what you do, son, you cannot please everybody. I used to try to please everybody, and it's like, it's impossible. No matter what you do, it's always gonna be somebody who got something to say. You feel me? Like, it's always gonna be somebody who's gonna say, oh, you a scammer, bro. Like, oh, you trying to sell. Like, it's always gonna be somebody, you know? So, I know that I'm just all over the place. But pretty much this comment, I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. It said, all I did was lose money. This isn't a good option. I can't even pay my rent. Tried to get a couple extra. Now I'm down, definitely pissed. And this is, she commented this because of trading, you feel me? When it comes to HFX, y'all know that I do trade Forex, I trade HFX, I trade cryptos, and recently I started to upload a lot more trading content, you feel me? And when I say trading content, I mean stuff that's like meant to help you, you know? When it comes to like sharing a simple strategy, or the last video I did like a actual walkthrough where I walked through the actual trade and I literally drew out what was gonna happen, and this shit really happened, you feel me? And like, that's because I understand the skill. Now, I'm not the best trader in the world. I tell y'all that all the time. I'm not a teacher. I tell y'all that all the time. I'm not like these other niggas on YouTube who trade Forex and who teach Forex and all the technical analysis, bro. That's not me, son. That's not me. But did I read the comment already? I'm gonna read it again. She said, all I did was lose money. Yeah, I read it already. And she said she's definitely pissed. And I respond, I'm like, you can't trade with money that you can't afford to lose. It's a skill, not a gamble, which is facts, bro, sis, son. Like, you cannot trade. When you trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, it makes trading so much harder. I know, because I did it. I did it for years. You feel me? Like, trading with your rent money, trading with your last $100. Like, yo, that makes trading so much harder. You know what made trading so much easier for me? When I finally had some money. When I wasn't so stressed about whether I won that trade or lost that trade. That's what made trading so much easier for me. And You know, so I'll respond with that just to like give her, I don't want to say it's a tip or anything like that, but like I'll respond to that with that comment to like give her like insight. Like that's a real gem right there. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And it really is a skill, you know. She responds, obviously it was crypto, so it wasn't fluent income. Point being, I thought I could make some extra and cash out. Your titles are clickbait and it isn't what you say it is. What's not what? I'm trying to figure out where she coming from with this. Like, so you gonna blame me? It's my fault that you losing money. I know it's some of y'all on here who, y'all probably didn't know what Forex was before y'all saw my videos. Y'all probably didn't know what HFX was before y'all saw my videos. Like, I put a lot of y'all on to trading. I put a lot of y'all on a wave with it. And it's like, you win money, and oh, Sai, you the realest, bro. This is a crazy strategy. Yo, I learned this from your videos. Thank you for the tutorial. You really showed me. You really helped me. This is the best explanation I ever seen. When you win money, everything is all good. Then I'm the hero. You feel me? Then I'm the good guy. But then when you lose money, when things don't go your way, then I'm the bad guy. Then you lost money because of me. I don't have anything to do with what you're doing. And this is for everybody. I'm not talking down on this girl right here, like talking trash to her. This is for everybody, son. Like, that's why I do it on demo. Now, she said my titles are clickbait. Man, YouTube is clickbait. I'm not gonna cap to you. Like, YouTube is clickbait. But then she said, like, it isn't what you say it is. What's not what I say it is? Tell me. Somebody tell me in the comments, man. What is not what I say it is? The last video that I uploaded, I literally walked you through the entire trade. You feel me? I'll tell y'all in the beginning of the videos, bro, I'm not a teacher. Don't blame me because you losing money. Do you understand that I think it's really like 97% of people who do this lose their money. 97% of everybody who trades, everybody who invests loses their money. Why is that? Because y'all niggas don't know what the hell y'all doing. I spent years trying to learn this. I spent years really losing. Like, now I could see, I could see if she was like with the bridge. And shout out to everybody on the bridge, man. I could see if she was like with the bridge and like I was helping her, or I told her to take trades, or we had a live session or something, and she took trades because of me, then I can kind of see you saying that. But even still, bro, like, don't blame me for me trying to help you, you know? Like, but the fact that she's just a random person, a random girl who just saw my videos and then decide that, okay, she lost money, but then you're gonna blame me for you losing money. Like, that ain't wavy, son. It's not my fault that you losing money. If you trading right now, I know you trying to trade. I know you struggling. I know for a fact that you losing money. I know for a fact that you losing money. And I'm talking to you. I know you losing money trading. But that don't mean that it's impossible. Like, yeah, you losing money, but the people I'm around, bro, they making bread. I'm making money. You feel me? And it's like, I'm not rich or nothing like that. Like, I showed y'all a video, I think it was a month ago, where like talking about how I lost 20 bands, bro. That's real. That's real. I lost all that money, son. That plus a lot of the other money that I had, and like, I pretty much lost everything. You don't see me, you don't hear me on here blaming somebody else. I'm not blaming the market. I'm not blaming my mentors. I'm not blaming or I'm not blaming anybody. I'm not making anybody feel away for what I did. So, if you really, I hate this industry, son. Like, I really do. I hate the niggas I hate the Forex niggas, man. Not Forex niggas. I don't hate Forex niggas, but I hate the community of like the Forex people, bro. Like, all they do is hate. All they do is hate. They talk trash. They just negative. Like, what's wrong with y'all, son? What's wrong with y'all? They think everything is a scam. The moment you talk about Forex, or they want to learn, but then when you tell them, oh yeah, you know, I got this, it costs $10, or I got this, I got a course, then it's a scheme. Oh, you scamming. You just trying to make money off your course. Bro, Niggas is weird, man. How you gonna want to be a Forex trader? How you gonna want to learn how to invest, but you don't want to invest in yourself? You don't want to invest in your education. Oh, everything that you saying, I could just learn. I could learn it on YouTube. Go ahead. Go ahead and learn it on YouTube. See how far you go. Yeah, some good stuff on YouTube, but most of it is trash. It's the reason why 97% of people who do this lose their bread. Oh, bro, support and resistance. You don't got no indicators on your chart. Come on, man. The whole world know about support and resistance. Though everybody know about support and resistance, but why is everybody still losing money? Clearly, it's more to it than that, man. Clearly, it's more to it. I don't know, man. Like that comment, it didn't get me mad. It pushed a button. You feel me? It really did kind of push a button. I'm like, so you gonna blame me? I'm putting these videos out to help you. I put these tutorials out to help you. Yeah, I get paid for it. But it's like, do you go to work and not expect to get paid? No. No, you don't go into your security job or your call center job, do those calls and then just expect nothing from it. Bro, this is my job. YouTube is one of my jobs. This is one of my streams of income. So yeah, I'm putting out content that helps people because that's a whole different thing, man. Like, that's how you grow on social media if you don't know. But it's like, I don't know, man. It's just crazy. Like, she really had the nerve to blame me for her losing. I don't even know this girl. I can see if he was on my team. And even still, but like, don't blame me. I'm not blaming nobody. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this, man. I know you struggling. I was struggling too. I was. Should I still lose money? I lost a lot of money, man, trying to learn this. Trying to learn this on YouTube for free, same thing that you doing. When instead, I could have just invested into my education. I could have just invested into myself. I could have just paid not even somebody. I could have just spent money to avoid all of the obstacles that I had to go through. I could have learned. It's two ways you're going to learn in this world. You're either going to learn from your own experience or you're going to learn from somebody else's experience. So you trying to do this on YouTube for free, that's you trying to do it on your own. Or you can learn from somebody who's already tried to do that. Somebody who knows how to do it, you can learn from them. If you get in a car and you don't know how to go to Walmart, and I know how to get to Walmart, yeah, you could get into that car and you could try to figure it out. Or I could be in the passenger seat and I could tell you when you get here, you're going to make a right. Then you're going to make a left. You're going to keep going straight. It's going to be on the right. Boom. You at Walmart. Or you could get in the car. Oh, I think it's a left right here. Oh, no, I'm going to go straight. I'm going to go to the right. Like, you don't know what you're doing. So, yeah, man, that's the point of this video. I know this was a rant, but, hey, man, content at the end of the day, you know. And yeah, man, I hope y'all keep going. You know, Forex is a real thing. HFX is a real thing. No, it's not the broker's fault. The broker isn't cheating you. You just can't trade. You just don't know what you're doing, son. That's it. That's all it is. Because the same way how you losing, somebody else on the other side is winning. You put a put, somebody else put a call. You lost, somebody else won. It's not, it's come on, man. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. I'm enjoying my day. I gotta get my hair done. This shit about to hurt. God, I hate getting my hair done. But hey, man, y'all stay cool. Y'all stay blessed out here in these streets, man. Like I said, it's 3 different ways when it comes to working with me. The first one is like my ebooks and stuff like that. Basic knowledge. I give you a lot of free stuff with that as well. And then you have like the second level. That's like joining my community, my Discord, community Discord. It's a lot of resources in there that help you make like trading resources and also like resources that help you make money online. And then top tier, like the actual working with me, that's joining the Bridge CEO. Shout out to everybody in the Bridge, man. You already know how it goes. So I appreciate y'all, man. I'm done talking, man. Y'all stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Sheesh. Blaming me.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk on what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.